Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hi, my name is Gitanjali. I make makeup, skincare and fashion videos. If you don't want to miss my videos, or if you want to continue watching this face, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my uploads. And today's video is something I never thought that will happen in my entire life, but oh my god, I'm so excited for today's video because, as you guys can tell by the title, I am gonna unbox my first play button from YouTube. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, finally. Oh my god. This is like every YouTuber's dream, you know. This is like you and your channel got recognized in like entire world of YouTube. Oh my god, that is magical, you guys. Life ma soche thane ki maile kunai din mero silver play button ayo or YouTube bata play button ayo bhanne euta video banaunchu bhaner chai I've never thought that in my entire life. Okay, you guys, without rambling a lot, I'm just going to show you my unboxing video, so enjoy. Right, you guys just saw that unboxing of my silver play button. Did you guys like it? Let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm just gonna open it in front of you as well. So it came in a box like this. Dun, da, da. There's two different cards. On the card, it's written, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact YouTube creator @societyaward.com." And here's one letter, and I'm just gonna read it out for you. You have done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work. Started getting goosebumps all over my body. You achieved this milestone with hard work and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished cannot be taken away from you, and we would like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares, believes us when we say that we cannot wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Suzanne, CEO, YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for sending me this 100,000 subscribers a play button award. And I also want to thank each and every single one of you for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos. On the play button, it's written, it is presented to Gitanjali Karki for passing 100,000 subscribers. Yay! Oh my god, you guys, this is like a dream come true. Just imagine, you are working on something for years, and finally, after all that, you and your hard work, your work gets recognized in the world of YouTube, recognized by people, and you get rewarded with something like this. It's a big achievement. If you are not a YouTuber, you're just gonna think, के हो र त्यो, it's just like a frame. But it's not like that. Before, मलाई पनि त्यस्तो खासै केही लाग्दैन. I don't used to feel all that emotions before, but now when this thing is on my hand right now, I can feel all the butterflies and all that nervousness, all the excitements. I can feel all the emotions going all over my body. I got goosebumps, everything. And this is also kind of a motivation for me to just keep going, to continue doing what I'm doing right now. It's not like I just took a camera or I just took a phone and I started filming and I started getting views. It's not like that. I have actually worked really hard to get in the place where I'm right now, and I've actually sacrificed a lot of things professionally and personally as well, because doing YouTube for a living, being in Nepal, doing YouTube as a living is really tough, because as you guys know, I think you guys probably know, YouTube is still not a thing in Nepal. YouTuber is not a job, YouTubing is not a job, bhन्छ मान्छेहरुले still नेपालमा हैन. So it's kind of tough. But slowly we are improving. I hope very soon YouTube ko office pani hoस् नेपालमा, so that we can contact them for like केही problems हरु भयो भने we can contact them. But still YouTube is not a thing. You office pani छैन, केही छैन. But keeping all that thing aside, let's focus on play button today. And lastly, I want to thank you guys, each and every single one of you, my subscribers, my non-subscribers, whoever watched my videos even for a single time. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much for appreciating my work. Thank you so much for always being so sweet. Nothing would be possible without you guys. I'm so lucky that I don't get that much negative comments. I do get few here and there, but I don't care about those. This is our play button. This is our first play button. Our next milestone is 1 million subscribers. That is huge. It's a long way to go, but it is not impossible. I need you guys. I need your support. I'm gonna bring more helpful videos for you guys. I just need your love and support, and I'm sure I'm gonna get that from you as always. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you once again. Lots of kisses and hugs to every single one of you watching me right now. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you very much. So yeah, I'm gonna close this video right here. Before you leave, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so that you will not miss any of my uploads. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.